Hello, my name is Olivia Gusman. I am a Fidelity Applications and School Climate Specialist at the DC Public Charter School Board. My team oversees DC PCSB's charter application review process. Today, I'm going to discuss this process and how it reflects DC PCSB's commitment to transparency and equity. First, a little context. The DC Public Charter School Board is the sole authorizer of the District of Columbia. One of our main functions is to authorize new public charter schools for the city. Each year, DC PCSB is responsible for establishing a schedule for receiving petitions to establish a public charter school. This process usually takes place in early spring. Charter applications have three equally important components: a written application, a capacity interview, and a public hearing. The written application must include all parts outlined in our charter application guidelines. After we accept the applications, they are made available to the public for review. We often hear from members of the public through our mechanism for collecting written public comment, or they choose to testify at the public hearing in front of the DC PCSB board. Through a holistic approach, DC PCSB staff reviewers assess the strengths and weaknesses of the applications. Our rubric for evaluation is called the Standard for Approval and can be found on our website. The Standard for Approval is oriented around 5 primary criteria for evaluating an application. They are demonstrated need for the school, sufficient progress in developing the plan, consistency of the mission and philosophy, inclusiveness, and founding group ability. Using the Standard for Approval, each application is evaluated by a review team, including those with expertise in special education, English language acquisition, governance, finance, demand, and community engagement. DC PCSB also works with external consultants when appropriate. The staff review team, using all 3 components of a charter application, makes a recommendation to the DC PCSB board to either approve or deny a proposal. Should a charter school be approved, it will be approved with conditions that it needs to meet before being awarded a fully executed charter agreement, including finding a facility in DC. Overall, DC PCSB strives to ensure its charter application review process is clear, thorough, and equitable. Our goal is to authorize schools that are both eager and prepared to serve DC families. We are DC Charter proud.